Good shot pushing out of the ditch up into the bank. Had to waver there. Had to turn and check on our little Charlie boy back here. Make sure he's watching. He wanted out so bad to see what his daddy was doing. Of course, with the dozer being loud, we wouldn't let him out unless I was out here. So he's doing good. He's sitting back there watching. Trying to level off and dig down a little bit more and get rid of that clump of dirt around that tree. I'm not going to push that tree out there. That's a pretty tree. Let's go up to the top and see. That's a pretty tree, so that tree will stay. No emerald ash borer. That's not an emerald tree, so, or an ash tree. Yeah, he did push that out. I don't know why he did that. Looks like she's gone now. I guess probably in count of that ditch. He probably can't get cleaned up what he wants, so he's gonna get some more drainage in there, I guess. That's what I'm guessing. So. Surprised he pushed that tree out of there. He's trying to clean the roots off some. There won't be so much to clean up later. Some of that dirt knocked off, roll that root around, that tree root around. We need rain. It rained hard last night, but boy, you can see the dirt's just falling away there. Charlie boy, our mini retriever, must have been out with him today, and he must have left the one door open in the house, the basement, or else the patio door. I came home from work, and guess what I found? The little guy must have been in the creek, and I found muddy paw prints all over my bed. So right now, my sheets and my bedspread's in the washing machine. That's what you have. It's always one more new adventure every day. As long as no one's hurt and we're pretty much healthy, that's all that matters, I guess. So, well, my battery's about dead, folks, so I hope you enjoyed this clip. Monday, August 29th, I believe. It's probably 8:15 in the evening. And this is a little bit of the push out of the emerald ash borer, or the ash trees, I should say, here at the Fraziers, and were damaged due to the emerald ash borer. And he's just doing a little more cleanup since he has a dozer here. So you all have a good day, and from Pennsylvania, take care and God bless. See you soon.